Good day, everybody. Brian here from quantlabs.net. Today is November 1st at 2020, 33, 22 hours and a half. All right, so I'm going to show you tonight another important demo. This is to get around the TradingView limitation with auto trading. I'm going to show you it's capable now with Kraken crypto trading, so now you can automatically trade with crypto outside of TradingView with Kraken. I use Kraken because it's the most trusted crypto exchange out there. I don't trust Binance. I don't trust Coinbase. I don't trust Bitstamp. I've been on them all. So let's get over to the screen here. This is on Linux. Okay, there's another big reason why I use Linux and TradingView, because TradingView now runs natively, no problem on Linux. I'm on Mint. So, anyways, here's Solana. Just for testing purposes, I've dropped down the time frame down to 15 seconds. Okay, so this is currently what we've got. I've shown this with the interactive brokers demo. That's I'm going to write this code for it, which is all in Python. I'm only going to write it for both interactive brokers and Kraken as my preferred broker and exchange for both crypto. Yeah, well, of course, you know interactive brokers. So anyways, just to do as a reminder, we've got our code here. This is the Bunny G. I'm sorry. I could use my Bunny G strategy I've written in PineScript that could run with Kraken here as a data source. I could use any data source I want, any time period, from 1 second all the way to 12 months if I want. Another big reason to use TradingView, because you can do 1 second. So anyways, as I said, we got to make an alert here when certain conditions are met. You have to put in a alert command in PineScript to initiate this. So this will raise the alert. And one of the big ones is notification. So this is a notification of the email sent tied back to your TradingView account. So I have no control of that, just the way it's set up with TradingView. Over here we got the settings. So in here we choose our strategy. So this is just a test webhook. We can use this as a default. This message does not matter because we're actually sending the message via the alert PineScript command. And again, we set our, now remember my last demo with interactive brokers, I'm using my own VPS, my virtual private server for email. So there's no restrictions if I was to use, let's say, Gmail or any other third-party email. You can get delays because it's Gmail and they may not like the message that you're sending out. It may look as spam, and your script may never get the code. So here we create the alert from within TradingView. So in here you'll see we have here we've got two alerts happening here. Let me do this again. So I'm going to get rid of this. Yes. Get rid of that, and I'm going to do it all over again. And at the same time, I'm going to clear my alert logs because it's already done. Go back into alert. Do the same thing. Choose my strategy in PineScript. Make sure that that notification is email. Remember, I've tried webhook. Doesn't work too well. All the other ones you don't really need. And again, it's going to be sent out to the VPS email. So there you go. So now the alert's active. You start seeing alerts because for testing purposes, using the RSI of 5 or 95 for a buy or sell. So in the background, we've got the Python scripts right here running, and I can relaunch it. So you can see here we already got our first alert. So the way I've coded this up, this will go through all the current emails in the inbox. So right now, it's got in the queue, it's parsed out in my inbox, my email inbox using Python scripting. It's got the first alert. So in the other background here, we've got our our Kraken. So you can see here we got our test transactions here. This is the new Kraken Pro, not the classic. So in here, we're about to do our first buy. So you can see we had a buy and a sell. So now, watch what happens. So there goes our first order from the Python script to our trade. So there it is. It's using a market. Minimal trade at 42.45 the price. Quantities at minimum. You can set whatever you want if you have the source code. Right? Filled it. There's a time and date, 10:38. And here it's 22:39 or so. And we're going to do another sell in our next step. Oh, and it's going to do a sell right here. And there's our sell right there. That's pretty well it. Just a demo that this does work live. Okay? So, yeah, I'm pretty excited by that. Because I've looked and spent about 8-9 days getting to the point of getting this working and researching the webhook and all that. And to tell you the truth, I just got back a fix from TradingView. It took about a week. By then, I wanted to make sure I've got everything working. With the webhook, I kind of got it to a point, but it was TradingView was a problem. So I just went with email notification, which works better. It's more secure as well. Going through your own virtual private server. And that was with Interactive Broker, so I've got that demo complete. And now we've got, I just demoed the crypto. Now, the crypto is really critical because it's moving like crazy. If I go here, let me pull up another chart here. Solana is probably right now the #1 crypto coin out there. So if I show you the daily view, this is an older system. Okay, there's our chart. Go to a daily view. And you can see here, actually, let me go to a 5-day. You can see it just comes from $31 all the way up to $47. So it's gone up about, oh, I always do this. Here's the daily view of Solana. It's moved up from 32 to peaking here at 46. And it could pull back or move up, I don't know. But crypto's definitely on the move. If I do Bitcoin, USD, that's all because of what's going on out there in the world, the tense world, as we'll call it, the mad world of wars and debt and all these crises. So you got Bitcoin, XRP has also been tearing it up. You can see here from 55 to 61, what, 10%? Fairly volatile. And that's all I've been writing lately about are these three coins. Now, people are going to go, how do I get access to this? Well, your best bet is to get on my email list, email me, tell me what you think the worth of this is. Because there's other services charging about up to $100 when they nickel and dime it. That's probably beyond that for 1 month. But here you have full control of the source code and the whole 9 yards. So you could easily do this for Kraken, Coinbase, Binance, and as of today, just so people know, if Bitcoin really truly takes off, U.S. customers will be able to do futures trading with Coinbase. That's a huge deal. Unfortunately, you don't have. I'm sure Kraken will need to respond to that, and hopefully, I'll be able to trade futures in Canada. That's what I'm hoping for. Anyway, so if you like what you're seeing, just go over to quantlabs.net/books. Let me pull that up here. And in there, you can get on my email list because this is a very hot commodity. This is a big demand right here. Get on my email list. And, /books, sorry. Yeah, quantlabs.net/books. Boom. That's what you want. Okay? So get on that. Email me right away. Get in touch with me. Because these prices are going to go up. We don't do this for free. We don't run charities around here. So anyways, hopefully I'll help you out. Like what you see. Have a good night.